Some of them go away, some of them in the house and knock. Them a write paper, ask to play a game on TV with the pitney them. Them a write paper, the paper just appear in front of you with the writing. Let the boys them play a game with us.
The RABBLE Show, I got chat to them, I made them chat for it.
Rabble, you don't know, say the one and only NASH-I Rabble Danger. And on this platform, we do things different. Rabbles. Rabblings, the average Jamaican no believe in a Duppy though. But growing up we hear enough Duppy story. What make you afraid of your own shadow in the dark? It's not a laughing matter, Rabblings. Comment in the comment section below and let me know if you be scared. Rabblings, me never see a Duppy yet and me not think me want to see none. Tell me now, who remember the story when them said Duppy has stoned the people them? Right now, this story that I'm about to break, it seems like the Duppy them reappear. And this time them a communicate. January Rabblings, them burn down the man house. Unbelievable. Right now, me no know what to say. But me a go make on a pre-wagwan. Rabble, straight Rabblings, spree this.
An encounter with supernatural forces. This man, who resides at Nugent Street in Spanish Town, says he has been having experiences with spirits, which subsequently led to the destruction of his house on Tuesday. He told Frontline News of his previous encounters with the spirit realm.
Some spirit been here from a good while throwing stone. Then go away for a time. Some of them go away, some of them in the house and knock. Them a write paper, ask to play a game on TV with the pitney them. Them a write paper, the paper just appear in front of you with the writing. Let the boys them play a game with us. When we go to a party, paper writer appear in front of me, say they want to follow me go a party. I just everything when me talk in the house, them a knock in the house. Them a tell me what we cook in the house. Everything just come from papers when we get here.
As to the fire which destroyed his home Tuesday morning, Mr. Linda says the spirit threatened to burn the house down.
Get here. This is a paper where they write yesterday, and so then come back and them a go burn down the house. And me tell the whole of my family then say to watch the house. But then say they couldn't do nothing because then say this time no smoke no come because me come out the smoke yesterday. And me I warn them and tell them say you see where Duppy then write to me. The place just bust out a flame, me look a girl say then say no smoke no start now nothing.
But his account of the situation was also echoed by Pauline, another victim of the fire.
The guy next door say it's the Duppy them burn it down. The Duppy was slinging the stone from a couple months ago and then burn it down. And me outside was looking after something to eat, and when I look I see the fire outside yet, I never catch my house. And the baby was inside here. I was trying to help to get out the baby. And the whole house started catch a fire. And I couldn't go in there, so people helped me to get out some of the things and not all. Some of the things then burn up, a lot of things burn up. I have no clothes, and I here I've gone.
No one was injured in the blaze.
This 11-year-old boy claims he is being haunted by a ghost. For the past week, word of the so-called Duppy has caused alarm on Martin Street in Spanish Town. The family says they've tried praying for the boy and taking him to church, but the ghost would only follow them inside, causing havoc, pulling the boy and throwing objects wherever he goes. Our news team was in the neighborhood Wednesday night to witness some of the events that have residents convinced of an otherworldly presence. Watch closely and judge for yourself.
Right now. Yeah. Yeah.
They say that's how it's been for the past several days. The boy says the ghost is actually a friend who died 4 years ago. He claims the friend suddenly started appearing to him wearing a white top, black pants and a black watch. It's been nothing but chaos for the family and neighbors.
Him licking him down, him drawing him flinging the tiggery, him fling the slippers, him lick me in my back, him lick me in my yes temple with it like the little stone. Him just a fling and draw him out of the bed, draw him in a corner, draw him everywhere and go.
I go around there and I feel this whole pa eat and thing. So like I couldn't breathe and me end up that him run out and me there and me say yo, me not see nothing. So me end up I come out now and when me turn me back, one lick me get in my back with a figure eight.
Watch again as our news crew filmed the second incident similar to the accounts we were given. This time, the boy claims he sees the ghost standing near the wall and goes over to stand next to it.
Touch her? Tell me when I touch her. Am I touch her? Am I touch her foot? In the arm, your wallet.
So, is the Martin Street Duppy real, or are the events the expert acting of a mischievous child? Kalila Enriquez, CVN News.
Rabble, no fear for tell them say you hear it, yeah, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Straight Rabbling.
Kind of mess your whole brother.
Let me hear what the public thinks. Chat to me.